we really want to thank you and welcome you for this session and for your time. And the students of our TIFAN event have started using the Altair products quite recently, and I think a few of them already had tried it, and a lot of them also had some more questions and more and wanted to understand how actually things work with the Altair products. So we just thought that maybe this would be a good session to include yours at the right time while our students are trying to get their hands on these tools. So I would let you introduce yourself, and the floor is yours basically. So if you have any a little overview about Altair products, as well as a little technical know-hows of how those tools work, I think that would be great.
Thank you, Swapnil.
And
Yes, please speak.
Just a quick note before you start to all the students, as we had broadcasted in our various platforms and groups, Altair has generously offering 2 lakhs sponsorship to the students, and that's where the criteria remains is the students need to use the tools as per to the instructions put on the website. Once their design and format of their report is ready, they need to upload that on the website, and or they will also need to present it during our design evaluation round. Okay. Once that is done, and the students also need to be getting to the field on the final day of the event along with their machines, and their machines need to be performing in the field. So that's the criteria, only criteria they have. We won't be evaluating in detail all your projects and what you have landed up in getting a solution, but you need to get done the project as per the instructions been put on the Altair's website. That's just a refresher for everyone. And please reach out to your mentors. I think I have made the mentors aware about the whole process. Or you can even reach out to Dharmateja, and please bring out any questions if for those who have any questions for Dharmateja. He's already a dedicated resource we have got from Altair for today's session. Over to you, Dharmateja. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Swapnil, for your words. Yeah, let me introduce myself, guys. Myself, Dharmateja. I represent Altair, Altair's academic initiatives. I'm an application engineer here. So I'm really excited to be the part of the sponsors and to get the chance to interact with these students over here. A lot of upcoming engineers I can see here. So here, as part of academic initiatives, I am coming to explain the details of the sponsorship who haven't known about it yet. So if you know about it, well and good. If not, let me take you through it. So Altair is providing sponsorship directly to the teams, as Swapnil mentioned here. So what we need from you guys is your technical expertise while claiming your sponsorship. So let me walk you through a few details regarding Altair sponsorship provided by to the teams directly, and it's a quite simple process. Whichever the team uses Altair softwares as part of the TIFAN event can claim a sponsorship easily. Okay, so where to get the softwares? First question comes to everyone's mind, right? So let me share my screen. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Your screen is visible now.
Thank you, Aisha. So we have one and only leading platform here. named as Altair 1. Here, people who have their own college domain mail ID can register for themselves and then easily use Altair products or get Altair trainings for free. So whoever doesn't know about this, please make a note. It's a website named as altair1.com/home. Here, if a person, let me log out of it. So if you want to sign up to our Altair 1, you will be getting access to our softwares. Second thing, you can learn whatever the tools that we have mentioned for the academics. If within Altair 1 itself, we have all the training materials available here. So people who are interested to work on Altair softwares and get their Altair sponsorship. So I'll walk you through this website. So you have to click on the sign up first. Here, few details will be asked. First thing, if the person who has their college domain mail ID or the business email ID, they can be easily getting uh, Altair 1 account in a simple manner without any verifications and all those. Because we verify colleges directly uh, from our side. It's like a back-end work, okay? So if you have any college domain mail ID, let's say @edu.in, here it comes your mail. So the person can click on here for the student version where it automatically recognizes your colleges and then give your basic details. Just a few agreements. And you will be getting a one-time password here where you have to copy it and paste it, and then that's it. So you just have to set up your own password. After this account info, you'll be getting the security setup. Here you can set up your own password and you can create your own Altair 1 credentials, and then here comes your login access. Sorry, to log in it again. So whoever creates their own Altair 1 account can go here, click on the training. You'll be leading to this Altair learning ecosystem where we have several learning categories. Namely, first thing is our e-learning, where all the recorded sessions that has been done by our expert trainers will be mentioned over here. Let me take you through a single tool. So you can just access this kind of learning ecosystem here. And if you want to interact with our technical expertise, you want to active participate in a live sessions, then there are two options available with us. One is the virtual instructor led, another is an in-person training. Virtual instructor led in the sense we have a live webinars that can be attended through your own personal laptops or mobiles or anything. In-person trainings are specially meant for you guys to attend any of our Altair offices. There, the trainer will be directly interacting with you, with our 70 plus customers over there who are taking the training. and as part of it you can ask all of the questions that are related or necessary for your TIFAN event or something. Okay, so this is where the learning portal comes. So whoever wants to download the software, then go to Altair Marketplace. This is the one and only place where you can download different kinds of softwares that are available with us. So here, any application you need to download, as to mention here, for the TIFAN teams, as we are offering the sponsorship, we provide commercial versions directly to the teams so that they can use without any limits. This is the interface if the commercial version holder gets, and they can download whatever the software that I have mentioned here, anything, and can download it for their own personal PCs and can share it with your friends and can access in any system as possible. The minimum system requirements are of 8 GB of minimum RAM is enough. Okay, and so this will be a learning ecosystem and the software downloading part from our side. And apart from that, so we ask students as part of our sponsorship to participate in a contest called Altair Global Student Contest. So this is the contest here where you have to use a basic tool from Altair, namely Altair Inspire tool, where no finite element processor required. Just give your boundary conditions and analyze it and optimize it and submit in this portal. Please make a note of it. It's web.altair.com/global student contest. At the end, I'll be sharing you all the links that are necessary. So if you go here, you can download the software, you can learn the software, and you can submit your entry. This is just like a 3-day process. Learning absolutely take 1 day, downloading takes 1 minute, and next entry, and the third day you can submit it as easy as possible. So what to choose for your optimization concept and all those? Here, whatever you do, whatever you think of a part that is bulky, or whatever you want to do some analysis in a heavy manner, that can be any other software that can be doing in a static structural mode, can be done over here. I'll take you through this application. It is named as Altair Inspire. It's an inbuilt commercial version. You don't need to apply for any sponsorship and all those. You can directly download for your own personal PC. Even the student version, you'll be getting the commercial code. So this is Altair Inspire. Whenever the student participates, he has to apply his participation video into the YouTube, so that we'll be knowing whether he is a participant or not. So this is the main criteria that we check when we provide sponsorship to the teams. Other than that, please teams, you should not withdraw between the event. That's our main criteria. So here is a tool named the Altair Inspire tool, where you can do all the FE techniques in a simple manner. The one who wants to learn from the scratch can build their own analysis model and can build their own optimized design. It's namely known as a conceptual design and simulation platform, available to every student of faculty or anyone. So today I'll take you through a model which is easier and let you know about this Altair Inspire. Here, the fun part is you just no need to click on file, import, etc. So we have a simple solution. Simply drag and drop your model. It will be directly visible over here. So I have my model. Then what? I have to give some boundary conditions to it. So where should I give it? Or where should I edit my model? here is the part, the ribbon, where you can find the geometry editing features. That can be partition, that can be simplifying your model, or patching any kind of unnecessary activities in the model, or any geometry cleanup that you want to do in a high level can be done simply in this level without any uh, high level knowledge. Okay, so next comes structural. Here in the structure, if you ever want to give any kind of fastening, just click on it. Simple. On a single click, you can give your own fastenings, and you can represent all these fastenings easily. Here comes boundary conditions, that can be supports. I'm just selecting a simple face to give a support. On a single select, you can select multiple of supports, whatever you need. So here is a technique where you can right click and drag so that you can exit out of it. Now here is a load conditions I want to give. And sorry, I haven't mentioned, this is a simple door bracket model which we can use in aircrafts and for the door handling systems and all those. Okay. So this in a version can be positive Y. I can give my amount of force that is necessary. And if I right click on my mouse and if I drag towards this tick mark, done. We'll be exiting from this structural mode. And then on a single button of this play button, so you can directly run your file, analyze your part. Okay. And then if you want to do some multi-body dynamic analysis in a simple manner while you are working on a starting stage, you want to build your own vehicle using basic criteria of parameters, so then you can go with this motion in this OptiStruct. That could be ground. You can ground the part. You can assign the rigid groups. You can give the joints again, or whatever the joints you want to mention. You can give the bushings here. You can assign the motor. I'll show you. So you can mention how much RPM you want, and you can even give the actuators. I hope you know the actuators, right? So you can even give the actuators anything, contacts, etc. You can analyze the motion even. So everything is available in this tool. And if you want to explore this, please go through this learn.altair.com as our website immediately after registering to your Altair 1 account. Okay. So here every detail will be mentioned and articulated in an easy manner so that the student can learn within 1 day and without any assistance from others. Okay. So any training you need, you can get it from here. Any material you need, you can get it from here. You just have to filter all the details that you want. So even we'll be providing you a certification here. Here you can go with this Inspire Professional certification. This is a very worth certification. You can check with this, and later. So whoever, as I have mentioned previously about this college domain mail ID that you have to register for this Altair 1 account, right? So yeah, let us consider I don't have any of my college domain mail ID. I have my Gmail ID. So what is my source? So how to get it? So consider this is my Gmail ID. So you can go with this everyone else here. You can fill all the details as similar as a previous one. Sorry, this is already existing. Let me try with another one. Yeah. So here comes the OTP, and then you have to set up the security question or password, that whatever you require. And then, so where to download the software at the time? Here We have a website called web.altair.com where this you can download in Altair Inspire tool for your own personal edition. This is valid of 1 year. You can use it and you can submit in your Altair Global Student Contest. To mention, Altair Global Student Contest participants can be getting a huge amount of prizes. So these are the monthly prizes that a people can get. And in the upcoming April month, we'll be announcing a grand prize winner. So where all the members who have participated in this entire year will be announced as a one of them will be taken as a best submission, so that he'll be getting $7,500. To mention, it is in dollars. To convert it, you can get a 7.5 lakhs of money only just by submitting an optimized solution using Altair Inspire tool, which we give commercial to the students and the academics for free. Okay, so yeah, so this is our tool. Once go through this, you will be having an idea of what to do and how to start and all those. If you face any queries related to this, then you can reach me out. Okay, I'll share you my contact details. I have shared my mail in the chat box. Please check it. Please make a note of it. So if you have any queries related licensing activation or software downloading, or you are unable to access Altair One portal, or any kind of technical queries that you have, please do reach me out through my mail. Just give a small detail that you are facing, so I can suggest you what the procedure you want to do. And finally, to mention here, we from Altair, as part of the academic initiatives, we provide academic lab licenses to the college, so that any college can utilize Altair tools as part of their lab curriculum and make sure the students as an industry ready. So guys, I hope you got to know about the details. The sponsorship coming to the monetary sponsorship, sorry, forgot about that. So whoever the participants that are applying for the sponsorship, we'll be considering the top 25 applications, where the first criteria, as I have mentioned, team should not withdraw between the event. And next, people should be participating, at least one person of the team should be participating in Altair Global Student Contest. And the optimized part should be mentioned in the design event, and if possible in the physical event that will be happening in the upcoming days. So our team will be coming there, evaluating the optimized part that you have done, and then we'll be providing you the sponsorship amount on the spot. So the total amount will be divided as per the teams that have come up with the optimized part, that they can put it in the vehicle, or they can do some prototyping work, so that we can evaluate using those criterias. And so yeah, that's it guys. About this is all about the Altair academic initiatives. If anyone have any queries related to these, please feel free to talk.
Aisha, can you unmute everyone? Means just take out the lock. Aisha, are you there?
Hello, sir.
Can you unmute? Means take out the lock from mute and unmute for all.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Will do, sir. Done,
Okay.
sir.
Sure. Thanks. Team, any questions from Team Altair?
If any person is unable to speak, please drop your queries in the chat box so that we can verify and get back to you.
And my request for all team members, at least try to rename yourself as per your team name. That helps. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks, Dharma. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the detailed presentation. I think for me it was very clear, and I'm sure for the students as well, it was very clear in understanding what they need to do. Dharma, Teja, maybe will request if any students have any questions later, we'll try to reach out to you on that email ID which you have provided. So we'll go from there.
Thank you,
And I
Swapnil.
think,
Thank you, Ajay, for the opportunity here.
sure. And I
Sure.
think many mentors have also joined. So I request mentors also to work with their teams. And I can simply say very directly, this is money on the table. Sometimes we say we don't have budget to make our machines, but this is something, it's a very simple process which Dharma has helped us out. And it's just not about process, I think the learning also, how we can learn new things, new techniques, the support the Altair team is providing you on training and providing technical support. I think use it, and that will benefit you during the competition as well as going in the professional life. Yeah, thanks. Okay, thanks, Dharma. Sushant, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah, Guru Raj, tell me.
Yeah, sir. Can you please revise the guidelines? The connection was bit choppy, please.
Guidelines?
About participation.
Dharma Teja, can you just
Yes,
repeat what you
hi
said?
Gururaj. So you want to know about this participation in Altair Global Student Contest, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. So here is a website for the Altair Global Student Contest with the keywords. You can search in your Chrome browser. Even I'll share with this chat box. 1 minute. So yeah,
And
I have
traditionally,
shared
Guru Raj,
a link.
everything is explained in the site, but definitely Dharma Teja is doing SA site has all the information available. Go ahead, Dharma Teja.
Yeah. So you can go through the SIE site if you want, or you can directly go with the chat box link that I have provided there. So every month the event will be happening consecutively. So at the end of the April, we'll be releasing all the global winners. So whoever participate all these, I mean, in these months, so we'll be announcing the final winner on the April month. So he'll be getting a lot of amount. I have mentioned numbers, right? So it's around 7.5 lakhs. So you can still have the chance to participate in the global student contest, and maybe we'll be extending it soon. So if you want to download the software or learn the software, everything is mentioned in the same portal itself. Okay, you can go and check through that.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Go ahead.
Yes.
Hello, sir. My name is Ayush Dange, sir, from Team Ayush 2.0. Sir, I have one doubt, sir. Sir, we have submitted the presentation for student contest yesterday, sir. Sir, after analysis, sir, structural analysis, the factor of safety got is very high, sir. It is about 1 into 10 raised to power 8, sir. So Sir,
Oh,
what can I do, sir?
okay. So maybe there are few errors while you are applying the boundary conditions, materials, and all those. Please connect me personally. Please ping me through mail. So we'll take a session. So if possible, then I'll give you the clear guidance regarding that. So have you submitted or yet to submit?
Sir, submit, sir.
Okay, okay. So we'll be considering the submission, but according to the winning, so you may or may not win this. That depends on the evaluators. Okay, so there will be a lot of participants, right? So that depends. So, but sure, if you have participated in the global student contest, your participation is absolutely validated, and you can if you want to do some improvisation and all those, then you can re-participate in again and again. So we never stop students to work on these sectors. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Team Ayod, who is your mentor?
Sir, Amar Deshpande, sir. Trupti Gate, ma'am.
Okay. And I hope you have shown them and they didn't found solution of this 10.6. 10.6. Okay, we'll do separately, I think. Thanks. Okay, Sushant, if you are
Yes,
there,
I'll take
go ahead, please.
control.
Yes, Ajay and Swapnil, then I'll take a leave. If you have any queries for the students, please ask them to ping me through my mail.
Sure, Dharmadeja. Thank you very much again. Uh, and have a great
Thank you, and we
weekend.
are really
Thank you.
happy to sponsor you. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
It's
thanks.
really great of you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Bye.
Okay. Can everyone see my screen now?
Yes,
Yeah.
Sushant, I can see.
Okay, great. So we'll take maybe 5 to 7 minutes to explain the design template which the teams have to fill in the upcoming weeks. And we'll be uploading this on the TIFAN site next week. So, and you'll be communicated about it. It's more or the less same as we did for the phase one, but few points that we will be asking here is we need to have more prototype images so that we can compare it with whatever CAD you did for the phase one. So I'll jump on to the template, instruction template. So standard nomenclature, TIFAN2024, your team ID, team name, and DP, that is design template for phase two. Do not change sequence because it's important for the evaluators because it maintains the same flow for everyone who they are evaluating. So please do not change slide sequence and titles. We need you to add details to each and every slide, but the content in the slide can be shifted or shuffled based on team's need because some pictures or some content may not be uh, feasible to put into only this block. So therefore, the students are free to use this space, but do not change the main slide title or sequence. Then we are keeping a limit of again 22 slides, including first and last. And we are more interested here with your actual prototypes and sub-assembly, assembly snaps. Along with that, if you can put the actual CAD images so that we can compare it side by side. And lastly, you can delete this second slide when you submit this slide deck to us.
Sushant, just a correction over there on 22 slides. We are just remaining with 17 slides for this template.
Okay.
Yep.
So we'll change this, but
Yes.
you'll have sufficient. The teams will have sufficient slides to show their work. We are keeping few additional slides as last time. So I'll go through each and individual slide. But thanks, Dharmendra, for correcting. Update that. Okay. So it's again your overall technical specification, how the machine or the implement looks. If your team has participated last year, we are interested in how it was last year and how it is looking this year. What is the difference? We will start with chassis or frame, CAD images, prototype, and FEA. Pickup system. So these are a few guiding points for you to think of when you start filling the information. Same for the conveying. Digging. This is more of similar to what you did for phase 1. So no major change. And few customizable slides at the end if the team wants to showcase any innovation or unique feature that they have added into their implement. And the interest would be if it is getting implemented on your actual machines. Any questions?
Shant, I would like to add few more points. So the team, make sure that you are putting the actual images over here because we already have your phase 1 presentation. So just try to stick to the actual prototype, animation, videos, what's the judges that you are in a very good shape right now from design point of view. We would not like to see any long story or data points in the slides. Your images, animation, and videos will speak for you. And that is the only criteria on which we'll be evaluating the slides. So you still have, if I talked about the timeline, so this design template will be same for the milestone 4 submission. So you know the milestone 4 submission is on 25th of April. So make sure by the time you are ready with maximum data, like try to fabricate as soon as possible and try to put it in the template. Because as soon as you submit it on the 25th April, we'll be having the tentative design round dates as 26th and 27th of April. Right, Ajay, if I'm missing the dates?
Just to add, there's not tentative, they are final dates.
Oh, okay. Those are the final dates. Yeah, sorry, my mistake. So we'll be using the same templates which you have submitted for the milestone 4 to evaluate. So the slotting for those design round will be shared with you shortly. So any question, queries on this, please go ahead and ask.
Hello,
Yes, Gururaj.
sir. Do we have to present the PPT separately on phase 2?
Yes, in the given slot, you have to come and present the way you have presented for the phase 1.
Okay.
It will be virtual, I think, yeah.
Yeah, it will be virtual, right?
And I think
Okay.
one thing which I will request our teams, and I will also, I think I will discuss internally also with the technical team. Normally last time we said, I think you're presenting from different locations. Maybe this time if possible, can you choose your college location, be in college together from one location rather than presenting from your home location, because it's really better. Okay, any other questions, team, on the design template? As the team said, mostly by next week you will have it, and then subsequently for marketing and costing you will get in the subsequent weeks. In maybe you're done with Prashant?
Yes, done.
Okay.
Thanks.
Can I share my screen? Why can I share the complete screen? Prashant, did you share complete screen or did you share the?
I shared a window.
I don't know what else. Okay, let me know what you can see.
Yeah, we are seeing your browser.
Or not the Word document.
No.
Let me try again. Now,
Yes, now we can see.
good. So I think team everybody knows about this milestone, how we are revising it and how we are actually tracking that. And we are coming very much near to milestone 3, where you have to showcase, provide pictures of the physical machine and submit. There's a template already shared by the communication team to you. And make sure you adhere to this date. That is very important. Anything received after 25th, that not be considered for milestone 3. The most important topic which I want to today discuss about is milestone 4. It will be kind of a filter team, and this will be very important. If you're not able to achieve milestone 4, where you're not able to showcase the working videos, subsystem images, and technical version sheets, then this will be a filtration round. So teams who are not able to submit milestone 4 will not able to go to milestone 5 and do a physical round in NPKV Rowdy. So make sure you adhere, and most important is as told for 4 and then subsequently milestone 5, and definitely once in between this we have the design round, which is again compulsory round for all. It contains points which will be added to the final evaluation, and also every team has to go through design, marketing, and costing round to be eligible for the physical round. So that was my. Dharmendra, you want to add something?
No, Jay, I think you covered it. Just
Okay.
I can repeat it in different words that the
Yeah,
reason for
try
the
in Hindi,
filtration is
Punjabi, Marathi. Somebody can try in Marathi
yes,
also. Good.
yes, anyone. So the reason of this filtration is like will be conveying you like whether you will be capable of displaying your vehicle in the main event. That's why we are just putting this milestone 4 so that it will save you a lot of efforts and money. Definitely, it will be happening to those team only who hasn't worked at all and to whom like just by seeing the presentation if we realize that they won't be able to make it to the main event, so those teams will filter out. And it's not like you are disqualified from the event. Definitely you get additional time of presenting the same design in the next year event. So definitely you will get the benefit of passing the phase 1 round for the next event.
Yeah. And just to add, team, this something similar happens in the real world, in the professional world. When, let's say, for example, I am designing something and there is one phase, and if I'm not able to accomplish the requirements of that phase, either I've been asked to go back and redo it, or the project got cancelled. So it's very much same what we do in our professional world. We can't go from here to here without adhering to the milestones dates which are defined for you. So that was one topic. Any questions about the milestone team? Anybody has any confusion on it? Okay. Then I think this everybody knows, this is in our
Hello.
site. Yes, somebody was. Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, I was having the question that on means the milestone 4 that is on 25th April, what other supplements documents we have to submit on that day?
You can see my screen, the TI sheet to your mentor, subsystem images and working videos submission.
The TI sheet and the design template sheet will be providing you next week. Those two
Yeah.
things.
Okay, sir. And sir, I want to ask that what about the reports? Means there it was mentioned that design cost and marketing report.
Yeah, for that separate template will be shared with you for costing, sales and marketing. So first we will be sharing the design template, then cost, then sales and marketing. And all these
Maybe you can
three will
expect
be there.
next week can
Yeah,
expect some templates coming our way. Design, costing and marketing.
So these three reports we have to submit on that day only.
no, for milestone 4, the sales and cost presentation, you can present it from your side. And the important thing which you have to submit is this TI sheet and the design template.
Okay, sir.
So if I make
Thank
it
you, sir.
clear, there is a date which I think is 26th and 27th, just next day of this date, where the marketing and the costing and the design evaluation presentation would happen. So what we are looking for is on 25th itself, you submit the design round presentation for the design template and some video, working videos and some images. And you'll be given the template and everything well before the time. Currently, I think you have the template for 3. So everybody should consider milestone 3, achieving this milestone, and then focus on the subsequent milestones. Okay. That was one thing, team. Other thing is, I think just to reiterate, and when we kickstarted the event, and then maybe I can go back and some of the feedback which we received. So you see, we have increased the count of awards significantly this time. So there will be around 16 categories which we have distributed the overall awards. So you can expect, let's say, if there are unique teams which are getting these, and I don't know, they'll be unique, there could be same teams, but let's say they're unique teams. So there are 16 different unique teams could actually won these awards, starting from 1,50,000 to 5,000. That is one part. Other part is as just Altair team told you about. So we have almost 2 lakh rupees total. Again, they have shown you the qualification process and whatnot. If you follow that, I think there is again some money available per team, whichever actually qualifies for those. And then again, we'll be actually handing over those checks on that day itself. So just consider if somebody went here and won this two also. So almost 40,000 rupees would be an award for you on that day itself. And I think everybody knows SAE has helped to send out a form to submit it. How it will help is the activities or the process which we do afterwards, after the event, we really want to do before, so that we all have the documents, necessary documents to issue checks, to issue the price checks to the teams which will win the event. So I hope there is no confusion on that side. The only thing is, wherever, I think there is two options. If you are a college club, you have to select one. If you don't have, you have to select other option. And then there are some other documents which needs to be submitted through college. So in no case will be providing check on the name of any person. If it is collegiate club, we'll be providing the check on that account for the winning team. If if the college is not part of a collegiate club, SAE college club, we can only give the check on the name of college. So there are some additional documentation which we need to do. Just make sure all get submitted well before time to SAE group. Any question on that form which SAE has been sent to you? Okay. Next is, we just talked about it. There is upcoming design round, marketing round, costing round on 26th to 27th. The team here will actually send out the slots. It will be around 45 minutes, Dharmendra, 15. And then there'll be specialists in design. There'll be people coming from marketing group, from different sponsorship organizations. And there'll be people coming from who have a good knowledge of costing, to understand, to evaluate, and to judge those 3 sessions separately. Then one other thing which I published today, we have came to some dates which I worked out with the NPKV authorities. So considering the election, the general elections happen well before the counting and everything happens, and this is not coming near to these dates. This will be our date. So what we are looking for is 23rd of May. We would like to have all the equipments reach NPKV Rauri, Maharashtra, with minimum of 8 team members by 6 p.m. that day, and we'll have accommodation, food, and other things planned, and it's coming down. Then on 24th of May, the physical event will happen. Event has to start on 8 p.m. 8 a.m. in the morning, because we have to start finish by 5:30. That's the directions coming from the authorities from NPKV. The slots for those events will be given just after, I think 15th May is our last milestone. So 13th May. So once you submit the milestone 5, according to that, the slots will be provided to you for the physical round. And then on 25th of May, we'll have the validatory function starting from 10 to 1 p.m. A quick question on the dates or the steps? Quick discussion on the accommodation. So team, as we have 43 teams currently, and the count is almost 900. The accommodation which is available within the campus is almost 300 or so. So what we are going to do is we'll provide accommodation for 8 team members plus 2 faculty members or former on, I will say, very marginal paid basis. That will be directly paid to the university, not to us. So the accommodation will be there from 23rd, the day you come with your equipment, till the 25th, the day the function is there. In addition to that, TIFAN2024 will try to provide some recommended stay options outside campus, where the remaining team members can stay again on the paid basis. From the food side, the food will be provided on the subsidized rate that we are still working with the vendors. And again, We will have rates per meal per day basis, so you can select where what you want. And the more details will come by 15th or 5th of April. So if you say starting from 23rd to 25th, we'll have at least two. Although if you talk about number of meals, there were 2 meals, 2 dinners, 2 breakfasts, 2 lunch, and almost two high tea. So we are currently approximating almost 700 rupees per pax for food, and it's totally voluntary if you want to opt for it or if you don't want to opt for it. So it's we'll be sending out Google Forms for getting your option to get your options for stay and food accordingly. We'll be issuing the coupons, and we still have time, so we'll not be doing this activity, let's say, for next 1 month also. So you continue to focus on the technical side for now and try to achieve the milestone 3 and milestone 4. We'll mostly start all those activities somewhere around after milestone 4. We may get some options from you, tentative options, but we'll get the final version a little later. Any quick questions, team? Anything in the chat? Ujjwal, you have any question? Or Agrostar, Ankit? Fine. We'll be sending whatever I showed you through email as well as through our WhatsApp communication channel, so that you can plan accordingly. The only, I think, 2-3 dates which you have to remember is, one is 26th and 27th. That is a design marketing costing round. And the next big date for you will be 24th, 23rd, 24th, and 25th of May, when the actual physical round will happen. And if there are no questions, I think we can close for the day. If you still have any doubts, any specific topic you really want to understand, I think you do have our phone numbers. There is already a channel, WhatsApp channel, where you can ask any specific question on this topic. Okay. Thank you, team. Thanks for joining. Have a nice weekend.
Thank you. Thank you, Ajay.
Thank you all.
Thank you, Ajay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.